Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a product that's designed to support professionals in the beauty and wellness industry, VEVOR's 28-inch portable massage table. Whether you're a massage therapist, esthetician, or tattoo artist, this portable table promises to make your work smoother, more comfortable, and even more flexible. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. Now, the VEVOR Portable Massage Table is crafted from a combination of beechwood, aluminum alloy, and a thickened composite board. This is all about durability. With a robust 600-pound weight capacity, it's capable of handling not just one, but two adults comfortably. Yet, despite its strength, it's surprisingly lightweight, coming in at just 30.6 pounds. When folded, it measures a compact 36.4 inches, making it incredibly easy to transport for on-the-go professionals. But what about comfort? This table has got you covered. The 28-inch wide tabletop and extra-wide armrests provide a spacious and comfortable experience for clients, whether you're doing a deep tissue massage or a beauty treatment. It's topped off with a 2-inch high-density sponge, which helps maintain its shape for long-lasting comfort. Plus, the soft PVC leather gives that luxurious, skin-friendly feel, ensuring your clients are relaxed from start to finish. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs in real-world settings. I tried this table for a few sessions, and it was pretty straightforward to incorporate into my routine. As a professional, you know that being able to adjust the table's height and headrest is essential. Luckily, the VEVOR table offers 8 different height settings between 24.4 to 34.2 inches, which means it's customizable for therapists of all heights. The quick locking devices on the headrest allow for easy adjustments, whether it's for a face cradle or an upright angle for certain treatments. There's even an adjustable hand pallet, so you can rest your hands during sessions, which is a nice touch for long appointments. When it comes to folding and storage, it couldn't be simpler. The table is tool-free when it comes to setup, so just unfold it and the legs automatically lock into place. After you're done, it folds back up into a compact suitcase-style carry case, making it ideal for those who need to move quickly between locations. Whether you're working in a spa, clinic, or even doing at-home treatments, this table is easy to take along for the ride. Let's get into the pros and cons of the VEVOR Portable Massage Table. Pros: durability. Made with strong materials like beechwood and aluminum alloy, this table is built to last and can accommodate up to 600 pounds. Comfort. The 2-inch high-density sponge and soft PVC leather make the table very comfortable for clients, ensuring a premium feel during treatments. Adjustability. The 8 height settings and adjustable headrest offer flexibility for both therapists and clients. Portable. Weighing just 30.6 pounds and folding into a compact size, this table is easy to transport and store. Cons? Weight. While it's light for its size, it's still 30.6 pounds, which may feel heavy for some, especially if you have to move it often. Limited accessories. Some therapists might prefer additional accessories, like a built-in storage compartment or a more cushioned face cradle. Size. While the 28-inch width is great for most, if you need extra space for larger clients or a wider setup, this might feel a bit snug. When it comes to value for money, this table offers a strong package. For the price, you're getting a durable, adjustable, and portable massage table that works well in a variety of professional settings. The high-quality materials and the versatile design make it a good investment, particularly if you're looking for something that doesn't compromise on comfort or functionality. In terms of competition, there are other massage tables out there, but not many at this price point offer the same level of strength and comfort. If you're in the market for something that can support a heavier weight capacity and is still easy to transport, the VEVOR table is definitely worth considering. There are some tables that might be cheaper, but they typically sacrifice sturdiness or comfort. So, if you're willing to invest in a quality piece of equipment, this one is solid. The build quality is impressive. It's sturdy, but still light enough to be portable. As for longevity, with its materials and design, it should serve you well for many years if properly cared for. You won't have to worry about it falling apart after a few uses. I didn't need to contact customer support for this review, so I can't speak to that experience directly. However, VEVOR has a good reputation for handling customer inquiries and providing assistance if needed. Is this product worth it? If you're a professional in the wellness industry looking for a reliable, durable, and comfortable massage table that's easy to move around, I'd say yes. It ticks all the boxes for portability, comfort, and adjustability, making it an excellent choice for massage therapists, estheticians, and other beauty professionals. Mid-review call to action. If you're finding this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more beauty enthusiasts can discover honest reviews like this one. Your support helps us create content that matters to you. If you've already used the VEVOR Portable Massage Table, drop a comment below. Let us know your experience and any tips you might have for fellow professionals. Thank you for tuning in. For more reviews like this, be sure to check out the description box for links and details. And as always, until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.